Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing your device and app. This matters because live location needs GPS and permissions to work reliably. Once done, open Messenger and verify you're signed into the right account. Make sure location services are on and set to high accuracy, then update the app if needed. Finally, grant Messenger the location permission, either while using the app or always, so you can share a live position without interruptions. This is the first actionable step to start tracking. Now you perform the core actions. Open the conversation with the person or group you want to share with. Press the plus icon or four-dot menu to reveal location. Once there, choose Share Live Location and pick a duration, 15, 60 minutes, or a custom time, so you control how long tracking stays active. Make sure the blue map pin reflects your position accurately. If it looks off, wait a few seconds for GPS to refine before sending. Then tap Send to begin sharing. Finish by managing and verifying the shared location. To end sharing, tap Stop Sharing on your live location message. This immediately halts updates. You can also tap any map pin in the chat to view someone else's live location in real time. If the location fails to update, troubleshooting helps. Toggle GPS off and on, restart Messenger, and recheck app permissions. These steps restore accurate tracking. If problems persist, reboot the device and ensure background app refresh is enabled before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.